In today's video, we are going to discuss an unexpected trend that has shocked women over 40 in the UK, USA, and Australia, so make sure you watch this video till the end to know what it is. Hello, ladies. Welcome back to our channel where your vote is our priority. We always bring videos that matter the most to you, and we take great care in making sure that you have the best experience while being with us. So, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to click the notification bell icon to receive timely updates about our upcoming videos. Now let's get started with today's topic. Have you ever heard of eco-friendly waxing? This new method of hair removal is becoming very popular among women over 40 in the UK, USA, and Australia for its natural and sustainable approach to beauty. But what exactly does it entail, and what can women over 40 expect when they try this new technique? In this video, we will explore everything from the benefits of eco-friendly waxing to the surprising outcomes that have left many scratching their heads. Stay tuned and get ready to be shocked. Eco-friendly waxing. Eco-friendly waxing is a type of hair removal method that uses natural ingredients like sugar, lemon, and honey instead of harmful chemicals found in traditional waxes. It is becoming increasingly popular among women over 40 in the UK, USA, and Australia who are looking for safer and more sustainable ways to remove unwanted hair. Unlike traditional waxing, which can cause skin irritation and allergic reactions due to the use of harsh chemicals, eco-friendly waxing provides a gentler alternative that is kinder to the skin. The process of eco-friendly waxing involves creating a paste using sugar, lemon juice, and honey, which is then applied to the skin in the direction of hair growth. Once the paste has hardened, it is removed in the opposite direction, taking the hair with it. This method of waxing is not only more natural, but it is also less painful than traditional waxing because the paste adheres to the hair rather than the skin. Additionally, eco-friendly waxing is more sustainable as it uses biodegradable ingredients and produces less waste, making it an attractive option for environmentally conscious consumers. Many women over 40 in the UK, USA, and Australia have been trying out this new method of waxing with some surprising results. Some have reported that the paste made from sugar, lemon, and honey was too sticky and difficult to remove, leaving them with a mess on their hands and skin. Others have complained that the waxing process was more painful than traditional waxing, despite the fact that it should be less painful. Despite these negative experiences, eco-friendly waxing remains a popular choice among many women over 40, who are willing to experiment with natural and sustainable beauty products. Women over 40. Women over 40 are a diverse group of individuals who defy stereotypes and challenge societal norms. They are no longer defined by their age, but by their experiences, wisdom, and unique perspectives. These women are breaking barriers and achieving success in various fields, proving that age is just a number. In the workplace, women over 40 are highly valued for their skills, expertise, and leadership qualities. They bring a wealth of knowledge and a mature approach to problem-solving that is essential in today's fast-paced world. Their ability to multitask, manage stress, and adapt to change makes them invaluable assets to any team. Many women over 40 are starting their own businesses and becoming successful entrepreneurs. They are taking risks, pursuing their passions, and creating innovative solutions that are disrupting industries. Their determination, resilience, and ability to connect with other driven individuals have enabled them to achieve remarkable success. Furthermore, women over 40 are prioritizing their health and well-being. They are more proactive in managing their health conditions and are taking steps to prevent future illnesses. Many have embraced healthy lifestyles by eating nutritious foods, exercising regularly, and reducing stress through meditation or yoga. They are also more aware of the importance of mental health and are seeking help when needed to manage anxiety or depression. Overall, women over 40 are a dynamic and influential group who are challenging stereotypes and achieving success in all aspects of their lives. Their skills, experience, and wisdom are highly valued, and they continue to make significant contributions to society as they navigate the challenges and opportunities that come with age. Women over 40 are embracing their power, wisdom, and independence and inspiring others along the way. UK audience. The United Kingdom, often referred to as the UK, is a sovereign country in Europe comprising of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. With a population of over 67 million people, the UK is the seventh most populous country in the world. It is also the fourth largest economy globally, with major cities like London, Manchester, Birmingham, and Edinburgh. The UK has a rich history dating back to the Roman invasion in the 1st century AD. It has played a significant role in shaping world events, and has been a global leader in various fields such as science, technology, art, and culture. The UK is known for its iconic landmarks, including the Houses of Parliament, Buckingham Palace, the Tower of London, and Stonehenge. It is also home to world-renowned universities like Oxford and Cambridge, as well as prestigious institutions such as the British Museum and the National Gallery. The UK has a diverse economy with major industries including finance, technology, healthcare, and tourism. London is a global hub for finance and business, while Manchester and Birmingham are known for their industrial and technological advancements. The UK also has a thriving creative sector with a strong emphasis on film, music, and fashion. The UK has a long tradition of innovation and has made significant contributions to various fields. From the Industrial Revolution to the development of the World Wide Web, the UK has consistently been at the forefront of technological advancement. It is also home to numerous Nobel Prize winners in fields such as science, literature, and peace. The UK's cultural influence is significant, with its art, music, and literature having an international impact. Writers like Shakespeare, Jane Austen, and J.K. Rowling have captivated readers worldwide. The UK has also produced renowned musicians such as Elton John, the Beatles, and Adele, whose music has topped charts and won numerous awards. USA audience. The United States of America, often referred to as the USA or the United States, is a country composed of 50 states located in North America. With a population of over 332 million people, it is the third most populous country in the world. The USA is also the fifth largest economy globally, with major cities including New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston. The USA has a rich history marked by significant events such as the American Revolution and the Civil War. It has played a pivotal role in shaping world events and has been a global leader in democracy, human rights, and innovation. The country is home to iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty, the White House, and the Golden Gate Bridge. It is also renowned for its higher education institutions such as Harvard University and Stanford, as well as cultural attractions like the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the Hollywood Walk of Fame. The USA has a diverse economy with major industries including technology, finance, and entertainment. Silicon Valley in California is a global hub for technology innovation, while Wall Street in New York is a center for finance and business. The USA also has a thriving creative sector with a strong emphasis on film, music, and digital media. The USA has a long tradition of innovation and has made significant contributions to various fields. From the space program to medical research, the country has consistently pushed the boundaries of scientific discovery. It is home to numerous Nobel Prize winners in fields such as science, literature, and peace. The USA's cultural influence is immense, with its art, music, and literature having an international impact. Writers like Mark Twain and Ernest Hemingway have left a lasting legacy on world literature. The USA has also produced iconic musicians such as Elvis Presley, Michael Jackson, and Beyoncé, whose music has influenced generations. A U.S. audience. Australia is a country located in Oceania. It is the 13th largest country in the world, by both area and population, with a diverse range of landscapes and a rich cultural heritage. Australia is known for its unique wildlife, including kangaroos, koalas, and wombats. It is also home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks such as the Sydney Opera House and the Great Barrier Reef. The Australian economy is highly developed with major industries including mining, agriculture, and tourism. Cities like Sydney and Melbourne are vibrant and cosmopolitan, offering a high quality of life to their residents. Australia is also home to several world-renowned universities, including the University of Melbourne and the Australian National University. When it comes to beauty standards, Australians generally prefer a more natural look. Makeup is often minimal, and skincare is a top priority. There is a strong emphasis on sun protection due to the high UV levels in Australia. As a result, sunscreen is an essential part of the daily routine for many Australians. Additionally, there is a growing trend towards sustainable and ethical beauty products in Australia. Consumers are becoming more aware of the impact of their choices on the environment and are opting for eco-friendly and cruelty-free alternatives. Overall, the beauty industry in Australia is diverse and caters to a wide range of preferences and values. Unexpected results. Unexpected results can occur in various aspects of life and can often catch people off guard. Here are a few examples of unexpected results that may seem relatable to some. In relationships, unexpected results can arise when there is a sudden change in circumstances. For instance, a long-distance relationship may unexpectedly lead to marriage after one partner decides to relocate. Similarly, a casual acquaintance could unexpectedly develop into a close friendship. Unexpected results can also occur in personal growth and self-improvement. Setting short-term goals or challenges can sometimes lead to long-lasting behavioral changes. For example, committing to a 30-day meditation challenge might unexpectedly lead to a newfound passion for mindfulness practices. Sustainable beauty. Sustainable beauty refers to a holistic approach to beauty that considers the environmental, social, and economic impacts of the products and practices used to achieve it. It encompasses a range of principles and practices aimed at reducing waste, conserving resources, and minimizing harm to both humans and the planet. One key aspect of sustainable beauty is the use of eco-friendly and ethically sourced ingredients. This means choosing products that are free from harmful chemicals and toxins, as well as those that are produced in a way that respects the rights of workers and protects the environment. Natural and organic products are often preferred as they are less likely to contain harmful substances and are produced in a more sustainable manner. Another important aspect of sustainable beauty is reducing waste and packaging. This can be achieved by using reusable or recyclable packaging, minimizing single-use plastics, and opting for products that are packaged in an environmentally friendly manner. Supporting brands that prioritize sustainability and transparency in their practices can also contribute to this goal. Green waxing. Green waxing is a natural hair removal method that uses ingredients like sugar, lemon, and honey to remove unwanted hair. It is gaining popularity as an eco-friendly and sustainable alternative to traditional waxing. The process involves making a paste using these natural ingredients, applying it to the skin, and removing the hair. Green waxing is less painful than traditional waxing, and the ingredients used have antibacterial and exfoliating properties. It is important to choose organic and raw ingredients to ensure the best results. However, some users have reported difficulties in removing the paste and experiencing skin irritation. Despite these challenges, green waxing offers a promising solution for those seeking a natural and eco-conscious approach to hair removal. Further research and development in this area could enhance the effectiveness and accessibility of this innovative technique. Thank you for watching this video. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We value your feedback and would love to hear from you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining content. We have lots of interesting topics to discuss in upcoming videos. Until then, take care and stay tuned.